Good evening, everyone. On the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, the night stay of administrative officer, including Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma and Superintendent of Police Ars Verma, will now be on Monday, 30 June, at the function venue of Mirch village. During this, the problems of the village will be heard and resolved. Also, suggestions of the people will also be taken regarding the development of the village. Diarrhea can also cause death in children. During the Diarrhea Stop campaign being run by the Health Department till July 31, pupils should be made aware about the parents that house dangerous diarrhea is for children and it can even lead to of children. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has given instructions regarding the campaign that parents should be made aware under the campaign to identify the early symptoms of diarrhea and helps in its treatment. The health department should distribute ORS packets door to door free of cost and ORS depots should be set up at Anganwadi centers. Diarrhea is a common disease in children which can be fatal for small children. This campaign is being run by the health department with a view prevent issue due diarrhea children. He instructed the officers of the education department to make children aware about proper hand washing, prayer meetings in the school response after vacation so that diseases can be avoided by keeping cleanliness. Apart from the health department, Panchayat Raj, education department and other related departments will fully cooperate in this campaign. An important step of the government for all economically weaker sections, Charkhi Dadri. The Chief Minister's Marriage Sukoon scheme is being run by the Haryana government with the aim of providing financial assistance in the marriage of daughters and disabled people of all sections of the society. This scheme is a commendable effort to empower economically weaker sections and to encourage the marriage of daughters. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the Chief Minister's marriage scheme is a symbol of equality and empowerment in the society. The aim of this scheme is to provide assistance to economically weak families and reduce financial worries in the marriage of daughters. He has appealed to all eligible families to take advantage of this scheme and make the future of their daughters safe and happy. He said that under this scheme, assist status amount is provided to the beneficiaries, in which a grant amount of 71,000 rupees is provided on the marriage of daughters of scheduled caste, Vimukt caste, Tapriwas caste beneficiaries. 80 lakh and 41,000 given of the marriage of daughters of backward class and general category persons with annual income up to 180 lakh. The Deputy Commissioner said that the grant of 51,000 is provided for the marriage of daughters of the widows, orphans, divorced institute, women, all of categories and other children. A financial assistance of 41,000 is also given for the marriage of sports women with annual income up to a 180 lakh. Under this scheme, in both the bride and groom are disabled, then will be 51,000. If only one bride or groom disabled, then 41,000 will be given. He told that to get the benefit of this scheme, it is mandatory to get a marriage registration done within 6 months after the marriage of their daughter. The application process for the scheme has been made simple and easy. Applicants can apply for marriage registration and Chief Minister Marriage School scheme by visiting the sadi.edisha.gov in portal. He said that is the priority of the district administration to provide the benefits of government schemes to every eligible person. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has instructed the officers of the Fisheries Department to make the youth as well as self-help groups aware of fish farming, which is the priority of the government. The government is the giving subsidy for fish farming. He said that the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampan Yojana has been launched to promote fish farming, which is showing great positive results. Under the scheme. 40% of the total unit cost of the general category pupil and 60% subsidy is given to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and women beneficiaries. Awareness programs should be organized to inform people about these schemes. The fisheries officer said that as per the instructions of the government, self-help groups and employed youth will be made aware of fish farming to increase income. Emphasis will be land on fish farming on waterlogged and unfit agriculture land. The main goal of the department is to increase the Haryana of fish farming in the district as much as possible. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, humble request, please subscribe our channel. So then take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Take care.